Anna Garcia's body was found by Taylor Diaz, a 19-year-old student here in the Gentry Life building at 10 a.m. Anna Garcia is 20 years old, at 5'6", 335 pounds. She was an undergrad college student who worked part-time at the Gentry Life building as a lab assistant to Dr. Elise Opel. 2 days before her death, she was spending late nights studying and Dr. Elise told her to come in to the lab on early Friday. The day of, she spent time at soccer practice, where she argued with Sam Green, a fellow soccer player, and she got a very bad injury to the head. She then went to lunch with her boyfriend, where they got into a fight, but they seem to have made up. She then studied with Dominique, who was also upset with her. When she went into the lab, she drank excess amounts of coffee and caffeine pills, and she also reported being very drowsy.
At 10 a.m., the police received a call from Taylor Diaz. Diaz reported finding the body of his fellow classmate, Anna Garcia. She was found inside of the Gentry Life Science building where she worked part-time. The officers arrived on the scene at 10 a.m. and the temperature was 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Evidence of blood, fingerprints, and DNA led the authorities to their conclusions.
Eric Piedmont, a 20-year-old college student and Anna Garcia's boyfriend. Days leading up to Anna's death, friends have noted that she and Eric were arguing, but they have seemed to have reconciled before she died. He's on the list of top persons of interest due to the fact that he had an argument with Anna, and also due to the fact that he was the closest person to her out of all of the suspects. It is possible that he killed Anna due to their argument. Dr. Elsie Opel, a 50-year-old college professor who taught Anna. Anna and Dr. Opel seem to have a friendly work relationship, though it is important to note that Opel recently declined to write a recommendation letter for Anna's scholarship. Apart from this, however, Opel does not appear to hold any grudges or dislike towards Anna. The reason she declined to write Anna's recommendation letter could simply be because Anna may have been underperforming in Opel's eyes. She would not be on the top list of persons of interest. Taylor Diaz, a 19-year-old college student, friend, and classmate of Anna. He's the one who found Anna's body in the Gentry Life Science building. Taylor doesn't seem to harbor any negative feelings towards Anna. In fact, Taylor is the only one of the suspects who hasn't had any negative interactions with her. Their relationship has been very positive. He's not on the top list of persons of interest. Dominique Hall is a 19-year-old college student and classmate of Anna. Dominique and Anna have been known to be very competitive. Recently, Anna won a scholarship that Dominique wanted. It could be possible that she killed Anna because she was jealous of her winning the scholarship. And in Anna's recent blog post, Dominique can be seen expressing blatant distaste towards Anna. Due to her negative relationship with Anna, Dominique is in the top list of interest. Sam Green is a 20-year-old college student and Anna's soccer teammate. Anna's team lost during a recent soccer tournament, and Sam blamed their defeat on Anna. Because of her accusation, the two were seen arguing, and the day before Anna died, Sam collided into her during soccer practice, causing another argument between the two. Sam clearly shows a disliking towards Anna, as they were arguing both in person and in text. She's on the top list of persons of interest due to her blatant hostility towards Anna, and she may have killed her out of frustration due to Anna's performance.
We found some hair at the scene that belonged to Garcia. There were some blood samples of hers as well on a table and on the floor right next to her head. We found some fingerprints, one by her boyfriend Eric Piedmont on a note that said "see you later," and some just by her on a glass beaker. We found DNA belonging to Anna as well, which leads us to possibly conclude that it was suicide or Eric killed her.
Based on the evidence we have collected, we hypothesize that Anna died from an accumulated pressure to her brain from a possible traumatic brain injury or concussion acquired from colliding with Sam Green and collapsing mid-lab, hitting her head against a table. We hypothesize this because, as shown through the evidence, the blood at the scene, such as the drops found on the table and the ground, match Anna's DNA and blood type, validating that the blood was indeed Anna's.
Also, from what we have found in Anna's posts and messages, she was reported to have a large head injury caused by colliding with her teammate, Sam Green, and was under immense pain because of it. We, of course, need more tests and information to conclude our hypothesis, such as a brain autopsy, to check if she was shown any brain injury or head injury, and research on what could happen if a person had an untreated brain injury.